All right, you guys. So I am going to try and program my key today. Well, the key fob. I just got a key made, so that is pretty cool. So when I got this car from Coparts, there was no key. All right. So I had to call a locksmith, and he came to my house and he made a key. So that's pretty cool. Now, since I have keys made, I have two keys. I have an extra fob here. Now I want to activate this extra fob. In order to do that, you need this machine, I believe. All right. I tried to do it a different way from YouTube and it didn't work. So I'm going to try with this little machine. And if this machine don't work, I'll try something else. Okay. But this didn't cost that much, actually. I paid for this and I paid for the fob. I think it was like $30 or something like that, you guys. So we need at least two key fobs. Okay. This is the original. That came with the car. Again, it didn't come with a key, so we got the key done. All right, and now we are going to program this. So let's go ahead and get into it. I have never done this before, you guys, so yeah. So in the instructions right here, it says programming instructions, add a new key, and then here it says erase all but one existing key. I don't know why would you need to do that, but right here we're going to add a new key. So we're going to add this one right here. So we are going to go ahead and read. We are going to go ahead and read. Start with the vehicle in park. All right. Engine off. Okay. Enter the vehicle and close all doors. Now, I don't have this hooked up yet. Should I just go ahead and hook it up? Because it's going to be uncomfortable trying to hook it up. So we're going to hook this up into our port. Okay. I just want to do it because it will be uncomfortable to try to do that while the door closed. So we're going to close the door. All right. We're doing this together as a team, you guys. All right. Enter the vehicle and close all doors. Insert and install into the OBD port located in the driver's side under the lower dash panel. 3. Press start stop button to the on position. Okay. It will take you about 3 to 10 minutes. No operation is required during this period until the LCD show you security verification success. Okay. Follow the instructions on the LCD screen. I'm going to hit add key, you guys. All right. This process does not erase keys. Okay. I don't want to erase keys. Turn on the ignition switch. Don't start the engine. Press OK to continue. Wait for about 10 minutes. Wait 10 minutes? Jeez Louise. All right, you guys. I'm not going to keep y'all up on here for 10 minutes. All right, you guys. So it wasn't quite 10 minutes. It was actually a little bit less, probably like 7 minutes. But we are here. So it says insert the new key into the car slot. The position is as follows. Okay. So we put it in. The card slot is right there. Okay. This is a Ford Taurus. So we put it in a little slot right here. Okay. Closing that now. All right. So we are going to hit OK. Configuring system. Please wait. Program success. That's it? Remove smart key from the slot. Press OK to continue. Remove smart key from the slot. I'm going to see if the key works, you guys. So let me see something. Okay. You gotta be kidding. It works. That's crazy. It works. Look. You guys, this is the old key. The old key has this old gray. It looks ugly. But this is the new key right here, all right? I have another one here. But look at this. It works. Look. It works, you guys. Let me see if the third one works. This programmer works. Let's go out and double check. Oh, let me turn the car. All right. Hit it out the car. This is crazy. I am shocked that it works, you guys. I'm not gonna lie. So this is the new key right here. Look at that. Let's see if we start it up. Starts up right away. This is the new key, you guys. Look at that. It works. All right, you guys, and that will be it. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section, and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.